Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. If Corona has disturbed our children's education, we as elders must bring our children back onto the track and prepare them for facing the future. As we all know that entrance exams are round the corner. Board exams may be held anytime soon. At this point of time, there must be someone or something to motivate, inspire and bring our confused children back onto the track, as leaving them will further increase their confusion. Dear parents and my beloved children, let me introduce Sri Krishna Academy, Hyderabad, where education is given to face the future challenges. Sri Krishna Academy since last one decade is working tirelessly to bring out the best from our children and stay ahead in the ever growing competition. The 9 core principles on which Sri Krishna Academy is working are ethics in our business, morality in our actions, values in our staff, transparency in our working, openness in our dealings, competitive to the market, success to our students, results to our efforts and satisfaction to every single individual connected with our institute. I assure you that based on these 9 core principles, Sri Krishna Academy has been established, has been working, is working and will be working without any deviation. Recognizing our services, American International Accreditation Organization Bureau of Accredited Registrars has assessed, audited and confirmed with ISO 9000 certificate in 2019. This has placed more responsibility on our shoulders to maintain high standards and values of international standard organization. Moving from the general introduction, now let me take this opportunity to tell you top 12 reasons why should you consider Sri Krishna Academy for your coaching needs. Reason number 1, a decade of experience. Since 2010, we learned a lot about young students, their psychology, habits, how to make them understand complex concepts, how to teach an average student to become a topper, and what makes a child for generating interest in studies, etc. As a result, we mastered these things that helped us in producing hundreds of rankers who secured seats in various top universities across India. Reason number 2, the best faculty. Faculty members are pillars of our institute who have imbibed one basic principle. If a child cannot learn the way we teach, maybe we should teach the way they learn. Based on this principle, I can describe my teachers in 5 words. They are qualified, experienced, knowledgeable, motivated and inspired. Reason number 3, consistent success rate. With our 1 decade of experience and hard work of our teachers, Sri Krishna Academy is producing consistently rank holders by scoring above 670 out of 720 marks in NEET 2020, 310 out of 360 in JEE mains, 550 out of 600 in ICR AAEE UG, 210 out of 300 in BHU UUT and 145 out of 160 marks in MCET 2020 entrance exams, to name a few. Reason number 4, average to extraordinary students. If a student is already a topper in academics, obviously it is easy to make that student a ranker. That's what every other institute is doing. But the real responsibility of a coaching institute lies in shaping an average and below average student into a topper. This is what we do at Sri Krishna Academy, transforming average and below average students into extraordinary achievers. Reason number 5, all-in-one study material. In order to make students to focus on what is required for their board exams and entrance exams, Sri Krishna Academy has brought out an extensive and all-in-one study material prepared by senior academicians, keeping in mind both board exams and entrance tests together. With a single study material consisting all required inputs for board exams and entrance exams, a student can follow single material which will ease out the burden of referring multiple sources for multiple exams. Reason number 6, separate batches for boys and girls with separate hostels. Sri Krishna Academy has made elaborate arrangements with separate girls and boys hostels near the institute for safe, hygienic and comfortable stay along with tasty and nutritious food for the students who come from outstation for undergoing offline coaching at Hyderabad. In order to make it comfortable for parents of girl students and to reduce unwanted distractions, separate campuses and separate batches for girls and boys are conducted depending upon the strength. Reason number 7, best online platform. With the changing times to match the current and future situation, in order to move ahead, Sri Krishna Academy is offering online coaching classes delivered through state-of-the-art dedicated online studio equipped with high-speed internet to facilitate instant and seamless experience of our online classes. Reason number 8, affordable fees. Sri Krishna Academy understands the financial struggles parents are currently undergoing. In order to make our fees affordable to maximum number of parents, the fees for all our full-time and online coaching classes have been reduced to half of the current fees. Reason number 9, extended duration. In view of the closure of schools and colleges, we have extended our full-time coaching classes timings from the previous 4 hours to now 9 hours a day. Now all our full-time coaching classes will be held from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday with weekly test on every Saturday or Sunday. This will help students to prepare for their board exams as well as entrance tests simultaneously with one single coaching. Reason number 10, continuous assessment to evaluate students' progress. Regular assessment, weekly and monthly tests, grand tests, mock tests are conducted online and offline under the supervision of a senior staff. After attempting each test, doubt clarification sessions are conducted and the discussions are held on the performance of each student, and finally these results are shared with parents by SMS, WhatsApp and email. Reason number 11, only 25 students per batch. To facilitate one-to-one interaction in the class between the child and teacher, all our coaching classes are limited to 25 students per batch. This will give an opportunity to each and every student for personalized and individual attention. Finally, now let me tell you reason number 12, dedicated mentor. A dedicated mentor or guide is allocated to every 25 students who pre-evaluates the technical resources and study environment available at the student's end and initiates necessary corrections if required, so that the student enjoys to its full potential and gets maximum benefit while participating in our online classes. The mentor also acts as a link between the teachers, parents and students to monitor and to maintain regular interaction and communication of the child's progress. Well, I have listed only top 12 reasons, but there are number of other factors like home-like care, maintaining discipline, health care, social interactions, celebration of festivals, transparent management, etc., which goes a long way in contributing students' success. Let me take you to the list of 14 entrance exams in which Sri Krishna Academy is experienced and competent to provide coaching. You can choose any one or more than one entrance exam out of these 14 different entrance exams based on your academic background and professional goal. Entrance test number 1, NEET UG. This is the only entrance test for students of all over India conducted by NTA on behalf of MCI for class 12 PCB students. Entrance test number 2, JEE Mains and Advanced. This test is for class 12 PCM students for getting admissions in BE or BTech engineering courses in the most prestigious institutes like IIT and NITs. Entrance test number 3, ICAR AIEA UG for agriculture. This test can be attempted by both PCB as well as PCM students to get admissions in government agriculture universities for studying BSc agriculture and other agriculture related courses. Sri Krishna Academy is the one and only institute in India with exclusive courses conducted for focusing only for ICAR entrance exam and other such national level, state level and university level entrance exams in agriculture like Karnataka's KCET, Odisha's OUAT, MP and CG's PAT, UP's UP CATET, Bihar's BCSE, Jharkhand's JCSE, Uttarakhand's GB Pant University, AMU, etc. Entrance test number 4, MSET. This is for AP and Telangana students for admission into pharmacy, agriculture and engineering courses. Entrance test number 5, NDA and NA, National Defence Academy test. This test is for 12th science students for education cum employment in defence organizations of Government of India. Entrance test number 6, CUCET, Central Universities Common Entrance Test. This is for admissions in central universities across India in basic science courses. Entrance test number 7, NEST, National Entrance Screening Test. This is for admission to National Institute of Science Education and Research, that is NISER, Bhubaneswar and University of Mumbai in basic science courses. Entrance test number 8, KVPY, that is Kishore Vignan Purushkar Yojana. This test is conducted by Indian Institute of Science Bangalore for class 11 and 12 students to provide scholarships for higher education. Entrance test number 9, BHU UET for agriculture and other science courses. BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University, one of the top premier central universities. Sri Krishna Academy is the only institute having an exclusive preparation track for BHU entrance test in India. Entrance test number 10, NTSE, that is National Talent Search Examination conducted by NCERT for class 10 students to award scholarships. Entrance test number 11, Olympiads. Science Olympiad Foundation, SOF, New Delhi conducts 6 talent exams like National Cyber Olympiad, National Science Olympiad, National Mathematics Olympiad, National English Olympiad, National General Knowledge Olympiad, International Commerce Olympiad at school level, city level, zonal level, regional level and international level, and they offer cash prizes, certificates, awards, etc. Entrance test number 12, Inspire Scholarship Test by Department of Science and Technology for class 6 to 12 students. Entrance test number 13, Navodaya School, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test, JNVST, is conducted for admission to class 6th. Entrance test number 14, Sainik School, All India Sainik School Entrance Exam, that is AISSEE, for admissions to class 6 to 9. This list is continuously growing as new coaching courses are going to be introduced by Sri Krishna Academy from time to time. Let me give you a brief idea on the coaching batches at Sri Krishna Academy. The batches and their timings are arranged keeping in mind school timings and board's academic calendar. However, this is subject to change as per the changing circumstances. Broadly, there are 3 different levels, and under each level different batches and timings and courses are available. First level is Science and Maths Foundation classes for class 6 to 10. There are morning batches which starts from 6 to 8 and 3 days a week, or evening batch 6 to 8 p.m. 3 days a week, or weekend batch either on Saturday or Sunday, both starts at 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. either morning session or evening session 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Afternoon batch is from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Integrated coaching for students currently studying class 11 and 12. Morning batch 6 to 8 a.m. 3 days a week, or evening batch 6 to 8 p.m. 3 days a week, or weekend batch Saturday or Sunday, where on each day 2 batches are there, either morning batch which starts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. or evening batch which is from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Full-time coaching 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday for class 11 or 12 passed students. Then finally crash coaching, 30 to 45 days of crash coaching is there, and short term coaching 2 to 3 months is there, long term coaching 6 to 12 months. Move on from the batches. Let me now take you to list of boards for which Sri Krishna Academy provides foundation classes, exams coaching, and science and mathematics subject tuitions. The first board that we give coaching is CBSE. Second board is ICSE, class 10, and ISC, class 12. Board number 3, Cambridge IGCSE, that is International General Certificate of Secondary Education. Board number 4, IB, that is International Baccalaureate. India has 185 IB world schools and the IB diploma is taught at 146 schools. Board number 5, all state boards. Board number 6, NIOS. Board number 7, all state open schools. Board number 8, international boards for the students who are studying or studied in foreign countries. Sri Krishna Academy, with an open and dedicated management, qualified and experienced faculty, friendly and helpful staff, is truly your right partner in reaching your academic goals. If you want your child to have solid foundation right from 6th class to all the way till 10th class and score good marks in board exams like CBSE, ICSE, IB, IGCSE, state boards, NIOS, state open school boards, and simultaneously prepare for various entrance tests like NTSE, Olympiads, KVPY, NDA, NEET, ICR, JEE, BHU, CUCET, or state entrance exams or any other national level entrance exams, choose Sri Krishna Academy Hyderabad in morning or evening or weekend foundation classes without disturbing their regular school schedules. If your child is in class 11 or 12 currently going to school or college and wants to prepare for the board exams as well as entrance tests, choose Sri Krishna Academy Hyderabad for morning, evening or weekend coaching without disturbing their school timings. If your child has already completed class 12 and ready to face the entrance test, choose Sri Krishna Academy Hyderabad for 45 days full-time crash coaching or 3 months full-time short-term coaching or 12 months full-time long-term coaching. Come, call, talk, explore, discuss and test our coaching platform and consult and consider Sri Krishna Academy before you take a final decision. Inviting all the parents and children of class 6 to 12th to make use of this excellent platform to reach your academic goals.